Good morning, students. This video is all about class 10th NCERT chapter 5 arithmetic progressions exercise 5.1 solutions. In the previous video we have seen the introduction of exercise 5.1 and this is the solutions exercise 5.1. Let us see the first question. In which of the following situations does the list of numbers involved make an arithmetic progression and why? So यहाँ पे जो भी सिचुएशन दिए गए हैं उसमें से ऐसा कौन सा लिस्ट ऑफ नंबर्स इन्वॉल्व हो गए जिस सिचुएशन में तो वो अरिथमेटिक प्रोग्रेशन को फॉर्म कर रहे हैं और कर रहे हैं तो किस लिए कर रहे हैं उसका वजह क्या है उसका रीजन क्या है वो हमें निकाल के बताना है। चलो देखते हैं अभी दिस इज द फर्स्ट सिचुएशन. In this situation, whatever the numbers involved, so that list of numbers are forming an AP arithmetic progression or not, we have to check. If they are forming, then what is the reason behind it? That also we have to know. Okay. So see the first question. The taxi fare after each kilometer when the fare is rupees 15 for the first kilometer. Okay. See the taxi fare for the first kilometer is 15 rupees. Okay. And the taxi fare after each kilometer, एक किलोमीटर से अगर हमने ज्यादा ट्रैवल किया है then we have to pay ₹8 for each additional kilometer. एक किलोमीटर के लिए फर्स्ट स्टार्टिंग 15 है. अगर एक से ज्यादा हम ट्रैवल करेंगे हर एक किलोमीटर के लिए 8 रुपए हमें क्या करना पड़ेगा एक्स्ट्रा पे करना पड़ेगा. सो वी विल सी. सो व्हाटएवर द नंबर्स इन्वॉल्वड इन दिस सिचुएशन सो दे आर फॉर्मिंग इन एपी आर नॉट. चलो वी विल स्टार्ट. वेरी सिंपल solution. The taxi fare is given for the first kilometer how much? 15. So the taxi fare for first 1 kilometer which is given how many rupees? 15. Now if we travel 1 kilometer extra then we have to pay how many rupees extra? 8 rupees. So next the taxi fare for first 2 kilometers. See, for the first kilometer it is 15 plus we have traveled here 1 kilometer extra. So we have to plus 8 rupees. So 15 plus 8 answer is 23. Next, the taxi fare for first 3 kilometers. See, for the first 2 kilometers is 23. And we have traveled here 1 more kilometer extra, so that each extra kilometer is 8. So 23 plus 8, so that is 31. Next, the taxi fare for first 4 kilometers. For 3 kilometers it is a 31, and we traveled here 1 more kilometer extra. So for each extra kilometer we have to pay 8 rupees. So 31 plus 8, so answer is 39. So now we will stop here. So see the list of numbers are 15, 23, 31 and 39 and so on. Now we have to check this list of numbers are forming in AP or not. Yes, by clearly we can see that here the difference between any two consecutive number is 8 rupees. Why? Because see we are adding a 8 8 8 2. It means that is a common difference, we will get the same. So in simple words we can say that thus AK plus 1 minus AK is same. Means the common difference between these two consecutive numbers is same. So we can say that therefore the list of numbers forming an AB that is arithmetic प्रोग्रेशन. हमें यही चेक करना था कौन से सिचुएशन में जो भी लिस्ट ऑफ नंबर्स इन्वॉल्व हो गए वो प्रोग्रेशन को फॉर्म कर रहे हैं या नहीं. अगर वो फॉर्म कर रहे हैं तो किस लिए कर रहे हैं. सो हियर दिस लिस्ट ऑफ नंबर्स आर फॉर्मिंग इन एबी बिकॉज़ व्हाई व्हाट इज द रीजन? बिकॉज़ द कॉमन डिफरेंस इज सेम. व्हाट इज द कॉमन डिफरेंस? दैट इज 8 in all the cases. Okay, so this is the first answer. I hope you all understood very well. So before proceeding to the second sub question, please pause the video to note it down. Okay student, this is the second sub question of the first question. That is the amount of air present in a cylinder when a vacuum pump removes 1/4 of the air remaining in the cylinder at a time. Means the vacuum pump every time it is removing how much air? 1/4 of the remaining air present in the cylinder. So let us take, so suppose this is a cylinder. Okay, this is a cylinder. We don't know how much air is there in this cylinder. So we have to take as a X amount of air present in this cylinder. So means see, vacuum pump is removing every time 1/4 of the remaining air in the cylinder. हर बार 1/4 निकाल रहा है उस सिलेंडर में जितना बच के है. ओके, सो नाउ इसमें जो भी इस सिचुएशन में जो भी नंबर्स इन्वॉल्व हो गए वो भी अभी अरिथमेटिक प्रोग्रेशन फॉर्म कर रहे हैं या नहीं कर रहे, वही हमें चेक करना है. चलो सी द सॉल्यूशन. सो लेट द अमाउंट ऑफ air present in the cylinder we have taken as a X, means X amount of air present in that cylinder. Now every time that vacuum pump is removing how much? 1/4 of the remaining air. So amount of air present in cylinder after first removal. जब हमने एक बार अगर वैक्यूम पंप से 1/4 निकाल दिया है तो उसके अंदर और कितना बच के है. सो सी एक्चुअली वी आर हैविंग हियर x amount of air in that cylinder and vacuum pump is removing how much? 1/4 of the removing means we have to subtract it. How much removing? 1/4 of whom it is removing? Of the remaining in the cylinder. Remaining यानी जितना वो है वही तो रहेगा. सो कितना हो जाएगा वो? x. सो यहाँ से हमें क्या मिलेगा? x minus x upon 4. सो अभी इसको सिंप्लीफाई करेंगे तो हमारे पास क्या मिलेगा? 4x minus x upon 4. सो 4x में से एक x गया, सो हमारे पास आएगा 3x by 4. So this much amount of air present in the cylinder after first removal, that is 3x by 4. This is after first removal. Now for the second removal, amount of air present in cylinder after second removal. जब हमने सेकंड टाइम रिमूव किया है वैक्यूम पंप से तो और कितना बच के रहेगा. सो नाउ हाउ मच इज देयर इन दैट सिलेंडर? 3x minus 4. नाउ वी आर रिमूविंग हाउ मच? 1/4 ऑफ द रिमेनिंग, मींस 1/4 ऑफ द रिमेनिंग, दैट इज 3x minus 4. Sorry, 3x upon 4. Now simplify it. So 3x upon 4 minus, it is a multiplication of fractions, so product of numerators and product of denominators. So 3x upon 4 4 ja 16. Now we will find the LCM. So here we will get the 16. So 16 divided by 4, so answer is 4, and 4 times 3x, so that is 12x minus 3x. Now from 12x 3x subtract, so we will get here 9x upon 16. So after second removal, how much air, means how much amount of air present in that cylinder? 9x upon 16. Now we will check for the third one. Amount of air present in cylinder after third removal. So now how much air is amount of air present in that cylinder? 9x upon 16. Now we are removing by the vacuum pump. How much we are removing? 1/4 of the remaining. So remaining air कितना बच गया है उसके अंदर? 9x upon 16. चलो इसको सिंप्लीफाई करते हैं. So 9x upon 16 minus, again it is a multiplication of fractions, so the product of numerators and the product of denominators. So 9x upon 16 4 ja 64. Now here find the LCM, so we will get here 64. Next 64 divided by 16, so the answer is 4. 4 times 9x, that is 36x minus, here we will get 9x. Now from 36 we have to subtract the 9. 16 minus 9, we will get how much? 7, and here 2 is remaining, means 27x upon 64, means the amount of air present in the cylinder after third removal is 27x by 64. So now we will check. So these numbers are forming an arithmetic progression or not. If they are forming, then why they are forming? What is the reason? So okay, the list of numbers are x 3x by 4. Next here 9x by 16. And next one, acha, see, 9x by 16 means we can write like this, 3x by 4 whole square. Next 27x upon 64. So 27 upon 27 okay. Now here also same, 27x upon 64 we can write as a 3x upon 4 whole cube. Whole cube means 3x cube means 3x we have to multiply 3 times. So 3x into 3. So what we will get? 3 3 is 9, 9 3 is 27, and x into x cube. And 4 cube means 4 into 4 into 4. 4 4 is 16, 16 4 is 64, and so on. These are the numbers. So see, we can see clearly x 3x upon 4, 3x upon 4 whole square, 3x upon 4 whole cube. So when we will find the difference, common difference, so we will not get the same here answer. So directly we can say that thus the common difference ak plus 1 minus ak is not same. Is not same. So we know that in any list of numbers, if the common difference is not same, then we can say that that list of numbers do not form an AP. So here also same, here the common difference is not same, so we can say that therefore the list of numbers not forming an AP. So this is the final answer. I hope you are understood. Okay, so before proceeding to the third sub question, please pause the video to note it down. Okay student, this is the third sub question. The cost of digging a well after meter of digging, okay, when it cost is 150 rupees for the first meter. Okay, यहाँ पे हम एक वेल को डिगिंग कर रहे हैं, यानी कुएं को हम खोद रहे हैं. So means for first meter उसका कॉस्ट दिया है 150 and rises by ₹50 for each subsequent meter. अगर हम एक मीटर को छोड़ के और उसके अंदर और एक मीटर जैसा एक मीटर बढ़ाते जाएंगे, हर एक एक्स्ट्रा मीटर के लिए हमें कितने रुपीस पे करना पड़ेगा? 50 रुपीस. So in this list, in this situation, the numbers whatever involved, so they are forming an arithmetic progression or not, we have to check. So very simple. See, when it cost is ₹150 for the first meter of digging. Okay, so very simple words. Okay, the cost of digging for first meter, already it is given ₹150. Now if we increase one more meter, so we have to pay how many rupees extra? 50 rupees. So the cost of digging for first 2 meters. So for the first meter is 150 and we have gone for the one more meter extra. So extra meter means how much you have to pay? 50 rupees. So answer is 150 plus 50 is 200. Next, the cost of digging for first 3 meters. See, for the first 2 meters is 200, and for each extra subsequent meter we have to pay how many rupees? Extra 50. So 200 plus 50 is 250. Next, the cost of digging for first 4 meters. See, for the first 3 meters it is a 250, and again we gone for the one more meter extra, so that is for the 50 rupees. So again 250 plus 50, so it is a 300. So now we have to check these numbers are forming an arithmetic progression or not. Okay, so the list of numbers are 150, 200, 250, 300 and so on. Now we have to check these numbers are forming arithmetic progression or not. Yes, they are forming the arithmetic progression, because the difference between two consecutive number is always how much we are getting, 50. So we can say that therefore, thus the common difference ak plus 1 minus ak is same. Okay, the common difference is always same, and we know that in any list of numbers, if the common difference is same, then we can say that that list of numbers forming an AP. So in this situation, these numbers are having a common difference same. So we can say that therefore the list of numbers forming an AP arithmetic progression. Okay, so this is the final answer. So please pause the video to note it down. Okay, so this is the first question. Last sub question, that is the fourth one. Let us see the question. The amount of money in the account every year, यानी हमारे अकाउंट में जितना भी मनी है हर साल का. Now when rupees 10,000 is deposited, अगर हमने 10,000 बैंक में डिपॉजिट किया है at compound interest एट 8% पर एनम, अगर हमने बैंक में अगर 10,000 डिपॉजिट किया है, कंपाउंड इंटरेस्ट है वो भी 8% पर एनम, यानी एक साल का 8% के हिसाब से. सो व्हाट इज द कंपाउंड इंटरेस्ट? सो सी, इफ द प्रिंसिपल इज पी, द रेट इज आर, द टाइम इज एन, एंड इफ इट इज कंपाउंडेड एनुअली, then we have the formula, that is principal times 1 plus rate upon 100 power n, that is the number of years. So this is the compound interest formula, means for the amount, this is the amount formula for the compound interest when compounded annually. So that is principal times 1 plus r by 100 power n. So now we have to see in this situation whatever the numbers involved, so they are forming an arithmetic progression or not. Okay, chalo we will start. Okay, amount for the first year, amount for the first year. So what we will get here? Principal is how much given? 10,000. 1 plus rate is given 8 upon 100 whole power n. N is number of years, yani 1. So what we will get here? We can cancel. 4 2 is 8 and 4 25 is 100. So we will get here 10,000 times 1 plus 2 upon 25. Next, amount for the second year. Principal times 1 plus rate upon 100 power n, number of years. Here the numbers of years is 2. So now here 4 2 is 8 and 4 25 is 100. So 10,000 times 1 plus 2 upon 25 whole power 2. Next, amount for the third year. Principal times same formula, 1 plus rate upon 100. So rate is 8 upon 100, power number of years is 3. Next, 8 4 2 is 8 and 4 25 is 100. So we will have here 10,000 times 1 plus 2 upon 25 whole power 3. Okay, next, amount for the fourth year. Principal times 1 plus rate upon 100 whole power number of years. So that is 4 years. So 4 2 is 8, 4 25 is 100. So we will have 10,000 times 1 plus 2 upon 25 power 4. Okay, so these 4 numbers are enough to check this list of numbers are forming in AP or not. Okay, see that numbers are 10,000, 1 plus 2 upon 25, 10,000, 1 plus 2 upon 25 whole square, 10,000, 1 plus 2 by 25 whole cube, and 10,000, 1 plus 2 by 25 whole power c, and so on. And we know that, see, by seeing this list of numbers we can say directly the common difference is not same. Okay, so thus ak plus 1 minus ak is not same, and we know that if the common difference is not same, then the list of numbers will not form an arithmetic progression. So therefore the list of numbers not forming NAP, not forming NAP. So this is the final answer, means that now here the first question is completed. I hope you all understood very well. So please pause the video to note it down. Okay student, this is the second question, that is write first four terms. हमें first four terms लिखना है of the AP when the first term A and the common difference D are given as follows. यानी हमें first term दिया है और common difference भी दिया है, हमें क्या लिखने के लिए बोल रहा है कि first चार terms लिखने के लिए बोल रहा है. ओके चलो let us take the first one. First question, that is A is equal to 10 and D also 10. We know that we have to form an AP. And what is arithmetic progression definition? It is a list of numbers obtained by adding a fixed number to the previous one. Here a fixed number only having the one special particular name, that is the common difference. यानी फर्स्ट नंबर को हम कॉमन डिफरेंस को जोड़ते जाएंगे तो जो भी नया नंबर्स बनते जाएंगे यही है हमारा अरिथमेटिक बनाता है. ओके चलो, सो हमारा फर्स्ट टर्म एज इट इज रहेगा 10. 10 plus 10, 10 plus 10, what we will get? 20. This is the second term. Next 20 plus 10, we will get the 30. Next 30 plus 10, 40. And they are asking only write the first four terms. So 1 2 3 4. So these are the first four terms. So we can write therefore the first four terms are 10 20 30 40. So this is the first answer. I hope you all understood. Now for the second one, A is minus 2 and the common difference is G. Very simple. Again same. The first term will be as it is. Next, if we are adding 0 to any number, we will get the number itself. यानी same number मिलेगा. So again minus 2. Again minus 2 plus 0. So minus 2 only. Again minus 2 plus 0. Minus 2 only. So these are the first four terms of this AP. Next, third question. A equal to 4 and the common difference is given minus 3. So the first term is 4 same as it is. Now we have to add this common difference to the previous one, means 4 plus minus 3. So we will get answer is 1. Next 1 plus minus 3. So we will get here minus 2. Next minus 2 plus minus 3. So we will get the minus 5. So these are the first four terms of the AP. So we can say that therefore the first four terms are 4 1 minus 2 minus 5. So this is the final answer. Next, fourth sub question. A equal to minus 1 and D is the 1 by 2. So first term is as it is. Now the common difference we have to add to the previous one, means minus 1 plus 1 by 2. So what we will get here? Minus 2 plus 1 by 2. So answer is minus 1 by 2. This is the second term. Next, again for this term we have to add the common difference. So minus 1 by 2 plus 1 by 2. Minus 1 by 2 plus 1 by 2. The result is 0. Next, again we have to add 1 by 2 to the previous one. So that is 0 plus 1 by 2. So answer is 1 by 2. So these are the first four terms. So therefore the first four terms are minus 1, minus 1 by 2, 0 and 1 by 2. Okay, this is the fourth answer. Now the fifth one, that is the first term is given minus 1.25 and the common difference is given minus 0.25. Okay, so now first term is as it is, so minus 1.25. Next, the common difference we have to plus. So minus 1.25 plus minus 0.25. So both the numbers are having the same sign. So we will add and we will put the same sign. So we will get here answer is minus 1.50. Next, again for minus 1.50 we have to add the common difference. Same process. So 1.50 plus minus 0.25. So we will get here again same. Both the numbers are having same sign. So we have to do the addition and put the same sign before the result. So here we will get minus 1.75. Next, how many terms completed? 1, 2, 3. Next, one more time. So minus 1.75 plus minus 0.25. Again same. Both the numbers are having the same sign. So do the addition and put the same sign. So we will get here minus 2.00 which is equal to only minus 2. So these are the first 4 terms of the AP. So therefore the first 4 terms are minus 1.25, minus 1.50, minus 1.75 and minus 2. So these are the first 4 terms of the AP. Okay, so this is the complete second question, 5 sub question solutions. I hope you understood very well. So before proceeding to the next question, please pause the video to note it down. Okay student, this is the third question. For the following APs, write the first term and the common difference. Okay, very simple question. Here there are 4 sub question. Okay, ये लिस्ट ऑफ नंबर्स में हमें क्या क्या आइडेंटिफाई करना है? एक तो फर्स्ट टर्म निकालना है और दूसरा है हमें कॉमन डिफरेंस को फाइंड करना है. ओके, वेरी सिंपल क्वेश्चन. चलो स्टार्ट द फर्स्ट सॉल्यूशन. First one, the list of numbers are 3, 1, minus 3 and so on. Okay, so now first term is 3. Now we have to find the common difference, and we all know the common difference formula is what? The difference between any two consecutive numbers will give us the common difference D. Okay, so that is A2 minus A1. So 1 minus 3. So answer is minus 2. So the first term is 3 and the common difference is minus 2. So this is the final answer. Next, for the second sub question. Minus 5, minus 1, 3, 4 and so on. So here the first term is minus 5. The common difference is what? A2 minus A1. So that is minus 1 minus A1. So that is minus 5. So what we will get here? Minus 1 minus into minus plus. So plus 5 minus 1 plus 5. So the result is 4. So our common difference is 4. So for the second AP, the first term is minus 5 and the common difference is 4. Next, third sub question. 1 by 3, 5 by 3, 9 by 3, 13 by 3 and so on. So here the first term is 1 by 3 and the common difference D, that is A2 minus A1, means 5 by 3 minus 1 by 3. So here both the fractions having the same denominator. So these fractions are said to be like fraction and the operation involved is minus. So subtraction of like fraction is very two simple steps. Subtract the numerators and keep the denominator same. So that is 5 minus 1 upon 3. So answer is 4 by 3. So here the common difference is 4 by 3 for the third sub question. Now the last sub question, fourth, 0.6, 1.7, 2.8, 3.9 and so on. So the solution is, the first term A is 0.6. The common difference is A2 minus A1. So that is 1.7 minus 0.6. So subtract 0.6 from the 1.7. So answer is 1.1. So here the common difference is 1.1. So this is the complete answers of these first 4 sub questions. I hope you all understood very well. So before proceeding to the next question, please pause the video to note it down. Okay students, the fourth question, that is, which of the following are APs? If they form an AP, find the common difference D and write 3 more terms. हमें यहाँ पे जो लिस्ट ऑफ नंबर्स है टोटली 15 है, तो यहाँ पे मैंने 7 लिया है, बाकी के नेक्स्ट में लेंगे. So here we have to check which of the following are forming an AP. If they form an AP, then we have to find the common difference. After that, we have to write the next three terms. This is the question. Chalo, let us start. Solution. First one. 2, 4, 8, 16 and so on. So here the first term A is 2. So the common difference formula is, we all know that is the difference between any two consecutive numbers which will give us the common difference D. So that is A2 minus A1. So that is 4 minus 2, answer is 2. Next A3 minus A2. So that is 8 minus 4, answer is 4. Next A4 minus A3, so that is 16 minus 8, so answer is 8. So we can see that here the common difference is not same. So we can say that thus the common difference AK plus 1 minus AK is not same. We all know that if the common difference is not same, then we can say that the list of numbers do not form an AB. So therefore the list of numbers not form an AB. So this is the final answer. Next, now we will take here a second question. 2, 5 by 2, 3, 7 by 2 and so on. So here the first term is 2. Next common difference A2 minus A1. So that is 5 by 2 minus 2. So simplify 5 minus 4 upon 2. So answer is 1 by 2. Next A3 minus A2. So that is 3 minus 5 by 2. So here simplify 6 minus 5 by 2. So answer is 1 by 2. Next one more time. A4 minus A3. So that is 7 by 2 minus 3. Now what will get? 7 minus 2 3 is 6 upon 2. So here 1 by 2. Acha, see, we can see here clearly the common difference is same. It means this list of numbers are forming an AB. We can say that thus AK plus 1 minus AK, the common difference is same. So common difference same है, यानी वो list of numbers है वो AP को form कर रहे हैं. So we can say that the list of numbers form an AP. अगर a list of numbers AP को फॉर्म कर रहे हैं, so we have to find the common difference. So हमारा common difference D कितना हो जाएगा? 1 by 2. नेक्स्ट, अगर कॉमन डिफरेंस फाइंड करने के बाद हमें क्या लिखना है? और 3 टर्म्स लिखना है, यानी therefore the next 3 terms are, so here is last term is 7 by 2 और उसमें कितना ऐड करना है? कॉमन डिफरेंस, यानी 1 by 2. 7 by 2 प्लस 1 by 2 कितना हो जाएगा? 8 by 2. सो आंसर हो जाएगा 2. नेक्स्ट, फिर से 2 को कितना ऐड करेगा? कॉमन डिफरेंस 1 by 2. सो ये हो जाएगा 4 प्लस 1 by 2 यानी 5 by 2. नेक्स्ट, फिर से उसको कितना ऐड करना पड़ेगा? 1 by 2. सो 5 by 2 प्लस 1 by 2 ये हो जाएगा 6 by 2 यानी 3. सॉरी 1 मिनट. Here 8 by 2. So answer is 4. So here is 4. So here we will get 8 plus 1 by 2. So answer is 9 by 2. So here is 9 by 2 plus 1 by 2 means 10 by 2 we will get. 10 by 2 means 5. So these are the next 3 terms for the given AP. Now next which question we will take means, now we will take the 5th question. That is 3 plus root 2, 3 plus 2 root 2, 3 plus 3 root 2 and so on. So here the first term is 3, then common difference A2 minus A1. So that is 3 plus root 2 minus 3 plus 3 minus 3 0. So we will have here root 2. Next A3 minus A2. A3 is 3 plus 2 root 2 minus A2 means what will get? Minus 3 minus root 2. So plus 3 minus 3 cancel. So from 2 root 2 1 root 2 gone, yani we have only root 2. Next A4 minus A3. So that is 3 plus 3 root 2 minus a3, that is minus 3 and minus 2 root 2. So plus 3 minus 3 0. From 3 root 2 2 root 2 gone, so we will have only root 2. So we can see here clearly the common difference is same or not? Yes, the common difference is same. So we can say that the list of numbers forming an AP. So therefore thus the common difference AK plus 1 minus AK is same. So we can say that the list of numbers form an AP. So if the list of numbers forming an AP, then we have to find the common difference. So what is the common difference here? Root 2. So after finding the common difference, we have to write the next 3 terms also. Therefore the next 3 terms are what is the last term here? 3 plus 2 root 3 plus 3 root 2. 3 plus 3 root 2. फिर से उसमें क्या ऐड करना पड़ेगा? कॉमन डिफरेंस कितना है? रूट 2. सो ये हो जाएगा 3 plus 3 root 2 plus 1 root 2 कितना हो जाएगा? 4 root 2. फिर से ये टर्म को कितना ऐड करना पड़ेगा? कॉमन डिफरेंस, यानी 3 plus 4 root 2 को फिर से कॉमन डिफरेंस प्लस करना पड़ेगा. सो कितना मिलेगा? 3 plus 5 root 2. फिर से इस नंबर को कॉमन डिफरेंस को क्या करना है? प्लस करना है. सो वी विल गेट हियर 3 plus 5 root 2 plus root 2. So we will get here 3 plus 6 root 2. So these are the next 3 terms for the given AP. I hope you all understood. So now here the remaining questions, which is one we have not done. Third question and fourth question and sixth question and seventh question. These questions are do yourself, DYS, because you all understood the process is same, just the numbers are different. Okay, so we will see the next questions. So please pause the video to note it down. Okay, now the remaining questions from 8th to 15th. So let us see now. Okay, now which one will take? Okay, 8th one only will start. So that is minus 1 by 2, minus 1 by 2, minus 1 by 2, minus 1 by 2 and so on. Now we have to check that this list of numbers are forming an AP or not. If they form an AP, then we have to find the common difference. After finding the common difference, we have to write the next 3 terms also. Okay, chalo we'll start. First term is minus 1 by 2. So common difference is A2 minus A1. So that is minus 1 by 2 plus minus 1 by 2. So answer is 0. Next term. A3 minus A2. A3 minus A2. So that is minus 1 by 2 plus again minus 1 by 2. So 0. So next A4 minus A3. So minus 1 by 2 plus again minus 1 by 2. So 0. So we can see the common difference is always same. Means the list of numbers are forming in AP or not? Yes, they are forming. So therefore we can say that thus AK plus 1 minus AK is same. Okay, in any list of numbers, if the common difference is same, so we can say that the list of numbers are forming in AP. So the list of numbers form an AP. So if they form an AP, then we have to find the common difference. So here the common difference is 0. So now we have to find after that next 3 terms also. The next 3 terms are so what is the last term here? Minus 1 by 2 and we have to add the common difference, that is 0. So answer is minus 1 by 2 only. Again minus 1 by 2, common difference is 0. So again we will get the same number. Means if we add 0 to any number, so we get the number itself. So next one, minus 1 by 2 plus 0. So answer is minus 1 by 2. So these are the next 3 terms. Okay, now next question, which one will take means here we will take the 12th question, that is root 2, root 8, root 18, root 32 and so on. Now we have to check this list of numbers are forming in AP or not. Okay, chalo. The first term A is root 2. Next the common difference is A2 minus A1. So that is root 8 minus root 2. Root 8 we can write as a root 4 into 2 minus root 2. So from here root 4 take outside. So what we will get here? 2 root 2 minus root 2. So from 2 root 2, 1 root 2 gone. So we will have only 1 root 2. Next, a3 minus a2. So that is root 18 minus root 8. So root 18 we can write as a 9 2 and root 8 we can write as a 4 2. So what we will get here? It is 3 root 2. Here is 2 root 2. So from 3 root 2, 1 root 2 gone. So we will have only 1 root 2. Okay. So next a4 minus a3. That is root 32 minus root 18. So root 32 we can write as a 16 2 minus, and root 18 we can write as a 9 2. So it is 4 root 2 and it is 3 root 2. So from 4 root 2, 3 root 2 gone. So we will have again only 1 root. See here, we can see clearly the common difference is same. So we can say that the list of numbers are forming an AP. So therefore, thus AK plus 1 minus AK is same. The common difference is same. So we can say that the list of numbers forming an AP. The list of numbers form an AP. So if the list of numbers form an AP, then we have to find the common difference. What is the common difference? Is here root 2. So after getting the common difference, we have to find the next 3 terms. Okay, so therefore the next 3 terms are so for the last term we have to add the common difference. So that is root 32 plus root 2. Root 32 we can write as a how much here? See, root 32 we can write as a 4 root 2. So 4 root 2 plus 1 root 2. So answer is 5 root 2. Next, now 5 root 2 plus root 2. So we will write as a 6 root 2. Next, 6 root 2 plus root 2. So that is 7 root 2. Now, see, if you want to send this 5 inside, then it will become 25. So we will get here root 25 into 2. So answer will be root 50. Next, here 6 send inside means we will get here 36 into 2. So answer is 72. Next, here 7 send inside. So we will get 49 into 2. So 49 2 is 98. Yani root 98. So these are the next 3 terms. Okay, now next which question we will take is this 15th question we will take. That is 1 square, 5 square, 7 square, 73, not 7 cube. Okay, now we have to check this list of numbers are forming an AP or not. Okay, first term a square, that is 1 only. Now common difference a2 minus a1. 5 square minus 1 square means 25 minus 1. So answer is 24. Next, a3 minus a2. So what we will get here? 7 square minus 5 square. 7 square is 49, 5 square is 25. From 49, 25 gone. So we will have the 24. Next, a4 minus a3. So a4 is 73 minus a3 is 7 square. So 73 minus 7 square is 49. So next, from 13, 9 gone. So we will have 4. Here is 6. 6 minus 4, 2. So we can see here the common difference is same. So we can say that thus the common difference AK plus 1 minus AK is सेम. अगर कॉमन डिफरेंस सेम है सो एपी को फॉर्म करेंगे क्या? यस, द लिस्ट ऑफ नंबर्स आर फॉर्मिंग एन एपी. द लिस्ट ऑफ नंबर्स form NAP. If they form NAP, then we have to find the common difference D. So what is the common difference here? 24. So now after finding the common difference, we have to write the next 3 terms. So therefore the next 3 terms are, so here last term is 73 plus common difference 24. So answer is 97. Next, 97 plus 24. So 7 plus 4 is 11. Carry 1 means 121. Next 121 plus 24, so it is 145. So these are the next three terms. I hope you all understood very well. So here the remaining questions. Which are the remaining questions? 9th, 10th, 11th and 14th, 13th. Okay, so these questions do yourself because the process is same, just the numbers are different. I hope you all understood very well. So this is the complete solutions video of the exercise 5.1. So we will see you in the next video.